I created a simple front camera mount for the K2 Plus. I designed this in Tinkercad. I find it perfect for simple projects like this. It's easy to use, quick to modify and makes adjusting things fairly straightforward. Once I was happy with the design, I just exported it and then I imported it into Creality Print. For the settings I used 3 wall loops, 50% infill, and I used a strong tree for the support. Here I'm just fitting the nut in to hold the support. And once you fit the camera, you just screw the rod in. This is a bit stiff at first, but that's deliberately so because it'll loosen up as you use it. I designed a fairly generic fitting, so it should fit most cameras. And this just clips onto the front. I'm just going to set one of my vase designs to print so you can see the results on the camera, and then I'll show the results from the onboard camera. This is a stock onboard camera from the K2 Plus. I'm sure you can see the difference. I'll be releasing this as a free design on Creality Cloud, and if you like the video, a like and subscribe is always most appreciated. Thank you for watching.